I'm hungry. I'm gonna have some popcorn.
Want me to pause it?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah, I'm sure. Just pause it. I don't wanna miss it.
Okay, it's paused. Why'd you stop it early?
I didn't want it to burn.
The microwave knows when to stop. That's why there's a popcorn button.
Eh,
Okay, well, hit the cancel button and let's get back to the movie.
nah. I'm just gonna leave it.
Why? That would be total chaos.
I like chaos.
What if I need to see the time?
You have your mobile, haven't you?
Just press cancel, please.
Nope. Boris, if Bob comes in here, will you promise to stop him no matter what? Yeah, alright.
Oof. Oof.
Oh!
Okay, let's finish this movie.